Hey guys, so as you can see I'm not wearing any lipstick because today we are doing a lip swatch video. We're going to be swatching these lip crayons by Flormar. I tried number 2 and number 10 and I love them, so I was like, let me try all of these. Yeah, they are super comfortable, really wearable for every day. They have a quite a satin finish. I just really enjoy them. The pigment is also really beautiful, but what I love mostly about them is that I can just like pop them out of my bag and apply a nice layer. It's not like too much pigment where you need to have a full face of makeup to wear it, and it's not matte, and with matte I prefer wearing a full face of makeup when I wear a matte lipstick. So these are just so perfect for your everyday kind of wearable lipsticks. Let's start out with the lighter shade, and this is shade Nude Pink. So this is a bit lighter than what I usually go for, but I definitely love this pink shade. I feel like it's a bit of a extra shade for me. I need to be a bit brave to wear this one, so it's definitely going to be stunning on lighter skin girls and a super dark girl, because this is just gonna pop. I worked with one of my friends, her name is Priscilla, when I used to work at MAC, and she would always wear this kind of pink. She would always play around with different mattes, but when she wore this pink, it was just so stunning, because all you would see is those beautiful big lips. But yeah, really love this shade, guys, and as you can see, it's a beautiful satin finish. It's not too matte, it's not too glossy, it's super comfortable to wear, and look how stunning the coverage is. You can see it's not blotchy, it's not feathering, really great. Let's go on to the next shade. Next shade we're going to be using is, this is the Salmon. Yes. Now this is a shade for me. Hi, gorgeous. Love this pink. Number 3 is called Brownish Nude. Oh my god, this is going straight into my handbag. Yes, bitch. It's so comfy. I promise you. You're gonna try this and you're gonna be like, I just put like a labello on my lips, because it feels like a lip balm. Next up is number 4, and this is the lovely pink. And that is lovely pink. Next up is number 6, and this is shade Bright Orange. Oh, I should wear bright orange. Not bad. Not fucking bad. Okay guys, I'm really sad to take off this shade, because it's like, call the fire brigade, bitch. Okay. I need to stop. Okay, 6. This is called Raspberry. Ooh, she's good. She's gorgeous. I love. Can I just never stop applying this lipstick? It's the most comfortable thing to apply. And that is Raspberry. Next up is number 7, and this is shade Red Velvet. Yes. This is gonna be my type of red. This is gorgeous. What do you guys think of this red? Comment down below if you love it, because I'm obsessed with this red. And I like a matte red, but this is not, I'm not too bothered about this. Number 8 is this shade called Cranberry. I'm not gonna lie, I wish it was a bit deeper. This is still gorgeous. It's like a pink but red. Love it. Next up is the shade called Mauve. Oh my god, I do not want to take this off now. That is gorgeous. What do you guys think of the darkest shade in the collection? I am in love. Very cute. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Last but not least is the shade called Caramel. Ooh, yes. This will be a stunning shade on darker skin. That is really gorgeous. And that is the final lipstick, guys. I'm very sad about this because I love them so much. Okay guys, I know it was quick, but I'm gonna have to love and leave y'all, and I'm gonna do that in my favorite shade, which is the Brownish Nude. Obviously I'm obsessed with nudes. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to see how I created this eyeshadow look, this whole makeup look, then head over to my previous makeup tutorial. I don't know why it's taking me so long to speak. I'm exhausted. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.